Hi, my name is Mayur Sampath, and you have come over here to understand what the markets are doing. Well, today we will be discussing about markets, where they are heading, and we will also understand the psychology of investors and traders, what is happening. Well, let's start immediate. Let's go to our Nifty, where everybody wants to understand where are Nifty heading. So taking the spot Nifty in picture. Okay. Are you able to see? Okay. Great. Chal. So here we are looking at Nifty, and we are over here. This is a daily chart of Nifty, and going back to weekly charts. In a weekly chart, we had a strong up move, and still we have not broken the low. That means if I take this and write over here the low, okay, and then this will be higher lows, okay, this will be higher lows, and over here still the higher lows are in place. So while it is in place, technically this also is a new higher low. So we have two levels over here, the 8918 levels uh, on a daily and 8825 levels. So these are the two levels we need to find out, and we need to understand if this breaks, it breaks, then we are looking for a lower levels. So this is a weekly chart. So if we, in the weekly chart, we are looking at a price going high. If the last week price did not go above 9395 levels or 93400 levels, somewhere over there. Okay, and still the higher lows are maintained. So unless and until we see something down below the 8825 levels, still there is some juice left out on the upside. Let's check out what is dragging the bank nifty, the nifty down. So over here, if I look at this particular side, so right now the nifty is into the sideways basing. It is just doing the dancing, right? So it is trying to go up, not able to go down, go up, down, and this is continuing. So in the last few days, lot of action in between the range of, in the range of these two levels, okay, and on a weekly levels of 9395. So you can write down these levels, keep it in your notebook. Now what is going to happen on Monday? Everybody wants to know that first. Aage kya hoga, and where is Nifty heading? Now, looking at the last candle, okay, you feel there is a definitely there is a pressure of this going down, because this technically was a green color candle. Let me explain to you this. This started over here and then went up really high, but the pressure was there, and then it ended up like a doji coming down. Very important levels. Now what you can understand is, in case there is an opening with a gap, then we will be seeing the bank nifty going, the nifty going down like this, okay, bridging the higher lows. No, only the trend line will be bridged, but not necessary. It should go down, or it could look like this, wherein 8918 levels can be touched. Okay, so this is could be one of the candles for tomorrow happening. So once it breaks the low, prior low, okay, one can easily go and sell this, okay, and looking for a level which will come in this particular vicinity, definitely. Okay, so this is what, as far as the Nifty is concerned, this is what I am looking at. Now it is not in my hand, so probably if the Nifty wants to go up, okay, it needs to cross this now. Needs to cross this, because see over here, check this out. Suppose if this is the high, okay, the higher low was formed from the top. Again, the higher low was formed from the top. Okay. So now, unless and until the candles will not tell me, boss, I want to go up like this. Okay. And if it goes up decisively from this particular level, then I am looking up to let it go up in this particular fashion. Now, there is some problem which has come up since the last 2 days. Okay. Franklin has stopped 6 of his funds which were in the debt market, and there is a hell of a lot of pressure and tension because people don't know when they are going to get their money back, and this is going to create some pressure on the downside of the Nifty and the banking sector also, okay, wherein the price may tend to go lower in Nifty and Bank Nifty for Monday. So only time will tell. Let's hope how we are looking at the chart that will give us a clear picture. Okay, so let me show this again. Okay, so what we are trying to do is whether the price is going to go down or whether the price is going to go up. But looking at this in terms of daily chart, definitely the pressure seems to be down. So we will be looking at a price going down as far as Nifty is concerned. If I'm just checking the 125 minutes chart, that is 2 hours chart. Okay, on a 2 hour chart also, we are seeing a clear bearish candles and then the price trying to go down. So we are looking over here as the price to come down over here. One more candle coming down, 2 hours chart, the price is there. Okay, now people say, okay, how do you trade these things? So you can either go to your call put data and find out what is doing, or you wait for 9140 levels to break decisively. If it breaks early morning, you are in the trade. So technically, let it wait. You can wait easily for the price to go below this, and then you are sure that you are able to get the money you want as far as the Nifty is concerned. So technically going down to 9045 levels. First level will be 9087 levels, 9089 levels, coming down to 9056 levels. And if the pressure remains on the strong side, then we will see the break on this particular trend line also. But this morning side, technically I'm looking for price going down, okay, a gap down opening, or even if it opens with a gap, no problems. Again, a 1 2 3 happening, bearish signals are coming in. So these are the 2 levels to watch for. Once it breaks this 9140 levels, I am definitely going to go for this 9058 level. So this is what the Nifty is all about. Well, the hedge formation looks very much in place as far as the Nifty is concerned. See, this is on the lower time frame. This is a 60-minute chart where it is in the level 3. So what it has done, simple. Let me explain to you. This was a rally. Okay, this was a rally. Okay, and then now it is doing a basing. Now whether it is going to rally or whether it is going to go down is a question mark. So this is a very crucial place wherein we will have a confirmation. Now problem is we are in an expiry week. So in the expiry week, a lot of rollovers and closing will be happening. So a lot of fight between the already who are in the money, out of the money, and the price going shooting up and close over of the positions happening. So this is going to be a very, very important week. Where is the May heading? So in case we find it going down or it is just going to be distributed over here, time will tell. But if we put in some of the indicators and oscillators, let me show you one of the indicators, oscillator, whichever indicators and oscillators you would like to put in. Momentum indicator oscillator, we can have RSI put in. So where is RSI on a 60-minute chart? Okay, so on a 60-minute chart, it is still dancing over here between the 50 levels. So going to the higher time frame of 120 minutes or 125 minutes chart. Okay, the RSI is again dancing over here at 50 only, and going to a daily chart. So in a daily chart, we are seeing the RSI has come just at around 50 levels. Okay, and now see this, while the price has to cross this decisively for the strength to come in. Okay, so for the strength to come in, this we need a candle which will give you a very strong green color candle of a up move candle. So what I am looking at, in case it has to break these levels, okay, if it is to break these levels, I want a candle which will give a strong green color candle, and then we are heading for the next level of the move. If it is not there and we get a strong red color candle, that means again the pressure coming down. Now Nifty has been supported by sectors which is the pharma sectors, okay, and majorly in the last 1 week it was supported by Reliance, a very strong move, wherein just by the news coming in that Facebook is taken some stake over here, 9% stake, and the the Reliance, which was at 1286, right now at 1500. So technically, if you go to see the Reliance, okay, Reliance given a very strong up move in terms of how it wants to place itself. Okay, and this is what is going to happen, that every now and then one or two stocks can keep the Nifty floated. Okay, so this is very important for you to understand. Okay, Nifty can be just technically speaking kept on the top. Okay, so here we were able to see a proper supply zone right at the top, the pivot high. It came right inside it. So the high was 1494. This was the supply zone, and from that supply zone, some pressure of selling was seen. Now there is a rollover coming in, and Reliance, which has moved from this strong demand zone. Okay, the monthly low technically was this 861, and from there it has gone up like a rocket, giving more than the percentage what everybody wants to in just 1 month itself. So while people were just thinking about selling, okay, this stock along with few other stocks have given a significant move. Please go and watch the video of 24th of March, which I have posted on my YouTube channel. It's a wonderful way of seeing the market when people are telling you to sell. Okay, most of the people or the retailers were waiting for a more downfall. Okay, and we were just buying few stocks which were technically going up. Okay, Pharma was one of them, and in the series M, the double bottom of Maruti. Okay, in one of the series, it is there on the YouTube. Please go and watch. Check the Maruti. It gave a double bottom, and that was the session of the double bottom which we had taken at around 4,000 and 200 levels. Yes, see this, a double bottom coming in, and we were over here when it was clearly mentioned that this is a double bottom and the price wants to go up, and from there this 4015 levels onwards to 5,600 levels, Maruti also gave a strong up move, which again pushed the Nifty up. Now everybody is waiting. Oh my God, I am left out. I should buy this stock. And people have bought right at the top also, which always, as a retailer, we tend to do the same mistake again and again. It is always that you need to buy low and sell high. Buy low, sell high, or sell high and then buy low. Sell high and then buy low. That is the main thing. This is what you need to understand. While few of the pharma stocks, let me show it to you. Glenmark, again, which was given to every one of you. This was one stock which I was also holding. Okay, so this was the learning which we did while the price was dancing over here. This was the stage one of the market. Okay, and then it again went up like a rocket right to the supply zone. Now see, Reliance came to the supply zone right at the pivot high. Glenmark coming to the supply zone right at the pivot high. So, and Nifty also coming right at the top and now doing what? All these stocks have given more than 60-70% return. All these stocks within a span of only 1 month, from 24th of March to 24th of April. Now, this is one of the stock which was really doing well, quite well, including the Sun Pharma. Okay, including the Sun Pharma. See, again from the supply zone right to the demand zone, and this is where Sun Pharma is still there. So please understand, you need to find out which are the sectors which are running, and if you put your money in the right place, then and then only you are going to make money from the market. Now, whether it is going to come down, the pressure is definitely there. How much down it will come is a question mark. Even if people are saying Reliance itna chal gaya, abhi kya karega, or niche ana hi ana, fine. How much down it will come? Now see, please understand, wall which was there at 83. Okay, now slowly it is getting reduced, and now the price are not running away like crazy, but they are in a proper momentum. Okay, now you need to understand that if you are doing wrong action, okay, while you will be buying right at the top and the market will fall, okay, and you will be afraid, oh my god, the market is falling, you don't have a system, and then you are not entering the market, okay, at a low price, and then you will still wait for everything to go well to buy right again at the top. So this is the psychology of an investor. They want everything to be good enough. Okay, if you are following any indicator and oscillator, okay, a simple moving average of 9 and 21 has given a clear indication that I want to go up. And if you had bought on a moving average crossover also, the sell has still not coming. So it is not that the markets are difficult. We make it difficult because we are not ready to understand how the market behaves. Now, one stock which I'm looking at, Biocon, almost at all-time high, technically speaking. Okay, see this? Now, this is the weekly chart. Okay, now see, it came down and then going right on the top. Now we are at the top. Okay, we are at the top, but this is the weekly chart, and now check the monthly chart. Is it not showing your strength? Even if it comes down, people will definitely buy because the strength of the move is really strong. Okay, so you need to understand where you are buying the stock. Very, very important. Where you are buying the stock becomes very important. You buy at the low and sell at the high. That's the only thing you need to understand. Buy at the low, sell at the high when it is at the high. But always we will be buying stocks which are not even being looked at. People will buy stocks like MTNL. Why? Because it is available cheap. What is the price? Since it is available cheap, you want to buy this. Okay, go ahead and buy, not a problem. But why you are buying? First ask yourself why you are buying. How will it help you to make money from the market? Okay, every small stock has been put under lock and key. 5% move, 10% move, 20%, you are in a circuit and price will not go up. Now, even if it goes up, yes, definitely it will go up. So let me show you. I'll share the screen with you. See what happens when you buy something at the wrong time, at the wrong place. See this. When it is available cheap, you will not buy. Okay. And then when the price are really going like a rocket, you will buy right at the top. Okay. And when it will be at the top, only to see the price coming down again. So while the price over here, I will name the script little later, but while the price was at 11 and 13 rupees, people were not looking at it. And then when the price reached 30, 35, people started buying more. This is where the mistake people keep on doing again and again. This was the Suzlon ka chart some time back ka. Lekin now people are stuck over here at 36, 35, 28, 29, whatever the levels. Now you know where the Suzlon is lying right now. So guys, every now and then you are going to make similar mistake. It is not going to give you money. Okay, market dynamics have changed. The whole way of looking at market has changed. Okay, even the bond markets in the history, never ever it has happened. The bond markets has created some problems. So that sentiments will be there. I don't know how many days, but maybe Monday morning it will be seen. Okay. Redemptions of mutual fund, which I have been saying, will happen. Why? Because people will need money to restart their business, to kickstart the economy. Something needs where the money is locked. As an individual, you will need money to run your house. You will need money to pay to your clients. You will need money to, put it into the business also. So mutual fund will be the only source, technically speaking, as on now. I will redeem that money from the mutual fund to start something. So don't do the mistake of buying on the high. Wait. You need to understand that this is a system. There is a system behind whatever is going on. Okay. How you look at the market? While the market can be described as arena of endless opportunity, the definition characteristic that separates the consistent winners from everyone else is this: the winner attained a mindset, a unique set of attitude that allows them to remain disciplined, focused, and above all confident in spite of adverse conditions. So believe me, you will, if you are going to make the mistake of buying high, okay, again you will get locked. But if you have a system behind how you are buying even high, then the price can go higher and higher for sure. So guys, you need to have a trade plan in place. You need to understand that the calls and the puts are really the ones which are going to give you enough hedging opportunity of your portfolio. I know few of my friends, 1.8 CR portfolio is down to 1.10. It's sad, definitely, because they did not had any clue that the market is going to fall, and now the drop has happened. Okay, and that portfolio is not doing proper. Okay, so this is what you need to understand. This is what you need to understand. How you are going to make money from the market is the most important thing. So each trade is simply an edge with a probability output and statistically independent of every other trade. Now people are jumping into futures market, okay, and just to see a gap down opening of that particular futures. In one single day, the money is getting wiped out for no rhyme and reason, because you don't understand where you are taking an action. So trading has its own risk. To my knowledge, no trade has a guaranteed output. Okay, therefore the possibility of being wrong and losing money is always going to be present. Always. Am I going wrong? Of course I am going wrong. But we have the stop losses in place. We have a system which is giving us money on a regular basis, right? Since the last 1 month, we have been, practicing, going about learning. Okay, and in the live market also, we are seeing what is happening, and we are taking trades on the live market also, and then we make money from the market, and that is what you need to do. We are in a times where you are still sitting at home. Okay, and this lockdown is going to continue because Maharashtra had one of the highest, today morning also the news had come in. So this lockdown is going to carry forward. So please make best utilization of the time, whatever you are having. Okay, you need to protect your capital, so hedging has to be there. Okay, if you do not hedge your position, even when you are having a good profits, it can just wipe out the profit in one single day. If the Nifty falls 500 points, 600 points in one single day, your capital getting wiped out. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, you need to take the profit home, and you cannot blame everyone. See, you are blaming, you can blame the government, you can blame the mutual fund, you can blame everyone. Okay, but then why don't you blame ourselves? If I am not doing something right, if I am not learning and putting my heart and soul into understanding the market right, the market is not going to give you what you want. Because even our children are being pushed, अरे एक क्लास में से दूसरे क्लास, one class to another class, from drawing class to science class to maths class. We are pushing our children to go and study well, pushing them to do better. But when it comes to us, we don't give that much of this. So successful trader always will focus on the relation between winners and the losers. They make money even when they are 40% right. So it is not how many trades you are right or wrong. Okay, how much you make and how much you lose is the only thing which is mattering in this market. That's it. You need to take the money home, and this is the best time in the history where so much of volatility is happening. And once you can sell on the top and buy at the bottom. You can sell on the top, buy at the bottom, or buy at the bottom and sell on the top, and the money comes to you. But you need to have that system in place. Okay, so guys, thank you for joining me. I am having a 3-day sessions on the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, learning the basics about the market. Okay, and I am having this session for only $9.99. So the price for 3 days will be $9.99, taking you to the journey of technicals, how to do, what investment to do, how the investment has to be put in, and all the money which is going to be collected, okay, will be donated. Okay, so whatever you are going to give in terms of $9.99, okay, will be donated. So please call every one of you. It is like you giving the donation. Okay, but I am the media. I am the media who will collect this, and I am going to give this donation. Already we have given it to the Pradhan Mantri thing, and I want to again do a good job. Okay, and you can be a great help. Okay, you can learn in the meantime, and also you will contribute to the society. So guys, I am looking forward to you, that please come in numbers. Okay, $9.99 is the price. Okay, the links will be sent to you. Register yourself and the link will come to you. 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, or we will have the three weekends which are there. We are going to have this particular thing. So we will be learning a lot in this 3 days. Okay, we will understand how the markets are behaving in terms of charting systems. Okay, which are the sectors which you should be looking at, how you should be investing in terms of somebody who is having, doesn't have the risk of investment, then no problems. We have a fixed income wala thing also. See, I am into insurance also. I'm into risk management also. I was a surveyor. I used to work as a surveyor for almost 10 years. So I understand the insurance side of the game also. Okay. General insurance as well as the life insurance. So again, I have given a lot of exams in terms of forex derivatives. I'm into forex also, definitely. I have started the commodity trading also. So we will have commodity classes also in the near future. Okay, the preparation is done. So just a small formality is left out, but the commodity classes also will be there. Somebody who is not having time during the morning hours, okay, can take care in the commodity sections also. So commodity, forex, or equity, for everything you'd still need to understand that the charts are the one which are going to help you to understand. So guys, please, you need to learn and understand the game in a correct fashion. So let me give you my numbers: 9820214315. Okay, and my email ID is indianturtles.mumbai@gmail.com. So this is my number and my email ID. Please go ahead and register for this 3-day event. It will be 100% paisa vasool wala thing. In case you find that you have not been able to get the worth, please ask for a refund and I will send it back to you. No questions asked. But think about it. We are going to have this money which is going to come in. Okay, the amount will be only 999. Okay, amount will be 999, and that will be, we will be carrying on this for 3 whole days. I mean 3 days. Okay, timing and everything will be given to you, but this will go, everything will go to the charity. So while you learn, you will also be doing a good favor to the society by helping me to, give it to someone who really needs it. I thank you all for joining me. Hi, this is Mayur Sampath signing off. Take care and I love you all. Stay put. थोड़ा और दिन हमको घर पे रहना पड़ेगा. So please, please, please take care of your family and yourself. Signing off, Mayur Sampath, Indian Turtles from Mumbai, India. Love you all. Take care.